Today we're putting the Honor Magic 8 Pro to the ultimate test against the iPhone 17 Pro. Wow, the phone is shaking so much, it's nearly impossible to keep it steady. Blurry photos? That's usually because of three things: low light, shaky hands, and zoom. Honor Magic 8 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro, same location, similar angles even using a similar focal length, 3.7x versus 4x zoom. The results? Totally different. Check the details and it's clear. Honor Magic 8 Pro wins. The 200MP Ultra Night telephoto captures insane clarity. In low light and telephoto shots, it minimizes blur, preserves every detail, controls highlights and exposure perfectly. Even shooting from a flying helicopter, the results blew me away. So, are you ready to take on the 200MP Ultra Night telephoto challenge with the Honor Magic 8 Pro?